In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money internationally on Revolut. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up the Revolut application, and then we're going to click on Payments in the bottom navigation. Then click on the plus icon in the top right-hand side, and from this list of options, click on Send International. Now we can go and select the country that we're going to be sending money to. You can either just scroll down this list or you can use the search box at the top. So I'm just going to type in United States as that's where I'm sending money to. Now from this window, you're going to enter the amount of money that you need to send. Then click on the transfer method. And then for the transfer method, select bank account. And you can see as well, it will tell you exactly when this payment will arrive. Now do bear in mind that if you're making the transfer on the weekends, then they will charge you this international fee. But if you do it on the weekdays, there's no fee for sending money internationally. Now you can also add a reference down here at the bottom if you want, and then click on the calendar icon in the bottom left hand side. And from here you can either schedule a payment for a later date, or you can just select today's date and press set schedule. So once you've scheduled your payment, click on continue, and then from this window you'll need to enter the recipient details. So this will include things like the account number, and you may also need to enter a SWIFT or IBAN number depending on where you're sending money to. Once you've entered this information, you'll also need to enter the recipient's address. Now you can just use the built-in search feature for Revolut to find this, and once you've selected the address, click on next, and then finally select add recipient. Now once you've added the recipient to your Revolut, you'll then be able to transfer the money internationally, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.